To support Parisian V Studio, please become a member of our Patreon page. Rewards will be high-resolution page of our art book. Thanks a lot. Before we start to draw a concept, we need to determine the main ideas for it. Main ideas will include, first, what is the basic SOP of the concept. In this concept, we choose human skull shape. Second, which is the signature detail, a unique identity of it. In this case, we choose to design an aggressive jaw. We will start from the side of the design first. With this angle, we can estimate the general size of the head part. To make the design more aggressive and practical, the most efficiency method is created for the concept many layers of component. This method will help the design look more realistic also. After side head design, the component that we want to highlight the most is the jaw. This detail must be aggressive. The teeth design has their own function. It can provide aggressive look and sensor which gather information also. The movement of the jaw can make the whole design look like a beast. The final main component is the sensor system for the whole head. This is the main part that will provide visio for the cockpit. Let's see the breakdown design of the vision. For a sensor, we will need three main components: cover, main sensor and transfer cable. We should break down the design into many parts to know how the concept will work in the real life. Beside the outlook, we also care about the function. A concept will not have any meaning if the functions were not ensured. In this head design, side components is a sensor system, upper front is the main visor system and bottom front is the multi-purpose system. We also care about the depth of the design. I mean, there's some parts that we will not see clearly after they assemble together, but it doesn't mean we don't care about it. The more you think about it, the deeper for your concept. After complete the sketch and the main ideas, now it's time to enjoy and redraw it to make it clearer and cleaner.